What's up guys? So touchscreen versions of Windows have always interested me. I know that it's existed since I think Windows 3.1 when they had the tablet computing version. It's been something I've been wanting to try for a while. And yes, touchscreen laptops with Windows exist, however I wanted something that's just a touchscreen. Well, I finally got one. Here it is, a Microsoft Surface. This Surface in particular was given to me by one of my good friends, Purple Wizard. Go check them out. They have over 100 subscribers. They make animations and stuff, so you should totally check them out. Yeah, you can see it's pretty dirty. I do have to clean it. It's not in the best condition, but let's have a look at the inside. Boom. It goes all the way backwards, and it's actually a magnet that you can just pull off and it'll be a tablet now. It has a built-in kickstand, so I can just stand it up like that. Kinda just want to do a tablet mode for now, so let's just turn it on and see what we can do from there. Let's turn it on. Ta-da! It runs Windows 10 because I don't like Windows 11. I actually don't think this can run Windows 11 because of the CPU. What's the battery at? Because it has a little leaf next to it. 18%. I should also mention I don't have a charger for this. There you go. There's the specifications of this machine. I actually do really like touchscreen versions of Windows because, I don't know, it's really interesting, like actually tapping the individual elements. I know we've had touchscreens on computers and phones for years and years now, but you know, it's still interesting just to, you know, have a touchscreen computer that has a full version of Windows that you can just mess around with. That is what I find so interesting about the Surface, is that it's literally a full version of Windows on a touchscreen, in a tablet. This video may seem really crappy because it was made in like a few minutes and didn't seem very informative, but I just wanted to show you this. Like, I just wanted to show you how cool it is that I got a Surface. I do need to order a charger for it though. That's one thing I need to do. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you have enjoyed, give it a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.